Now, let's learn another data type in Spark, data frame. Data frame is much easier to understand. Actually, a data frame is just like a table. We specify the column names, and all data can be stored with an index now. I'm not sure if you use the relational databases like MySQL or Oracle. Are they similar? In the next part, we will introduce dataset. So, what is the relationship between them? In fact, a data frame is a special dataset. But a dataset has well-defined rows, while data frame has well-defined columns. And if we say each row of a data frame is of the type called row, then that frame is now a dataset. As we mentioned, a dataset has well-defined rows. The data in dataset is stored in encoded binary form, which means that when we look inside a dataset, we will not say string like name, Sam, age, 23 essentially, but we will say 10010010101. What a weird thing. But this is a common way, because we can save a lot of storage in this way. And this process is called serialization. We are making strings or integers into binary series. But here, if we need to analyze this data, usually we need to convert it back from the binary series into objects. This process called deserialization. However, Spark does not need deserialization, thanks to the catalyzed logical execution plan. Simply speaking, the dataset's encoder dynamically generates codes in a format that allows Spark to perform many operations, such as filter, sort, and hash without deserialization bias into objects. Finally, a dataset is also lazy, and it triggers computing only when an action operation is performed. So, up to now, we mentioned three different kinds of data structure, which are RDD, dataset, and data frame. For RDDs, both cluster communication and I/O operations require serialization and deserialization of data and data structure. Datasets and data frame have exactly the same functions, but different data types in each row. For data frame, data in each row is of the row type. Fields and types of these fields in each row are unknown. You can only use getIs or pandas matching in the column to obtain a specific field. In a dataset, the type of each row is not fixed. After defining the case class, you can obtain the information in each row. Information in columns of data frame is clear but unclear in rows. In this part, we compare different data formats in Spark. In next section, we will introduce different modules in Spark.